23 hertz to wake it up. Break it in. That's when you block the port. Don't block the butthole. Test and review of the Cicada Audio CMB, that's Charlie Mike Bravo, 8.S4. So, never mind perms, huge, ginormous, LMS Ultra. Cicada, 500 watts RMS, 1000 watts max. Actually handled that break-in really well. Didn't get warm at all, which is good sign. Carbon fiber cone, insulated leads up here at the top, and then uninsulated on the sewn. So that stitching method reminds me of, what is it, ID Max? Image Dynamics, that's who it is. So people have already criticized the center cap. I think it's just for really high strength. But it's a poly cap, carbon fiber cone, and then rubber surround with a CAS frame. So this is really meant for outdoor. Let's go ahead and get the specs, and we'll go from there. Do the sweep. .36 hertz. Let me do that again off camera, just to make sure, because I gotta hold up in the, again, don't block the butthole. Not as peaky. Oh, and the FS actually went up. 37. So for this, and this is called the mid bass, and rightly so, I consider anything with an FS above 35 hertz as a mid bass. Anything below as a subwoofer, or woofer or subwoofer, whatever you want to call it. So, but let me get the full specs here in a sec. There we go. It's ugly, but it works. So, it's like generic Play-Doh, or is it Play-Doh? No, is it, what's that? Soup? I don't even remember what they don't even sell it anymore. But this is the generic one. I forget what it's called. And then there's the specs. Got it? Look at that VAS, super tiny. And you're able to reach 37 hertz if you want to use it more as a woofer. So, but again, if you dedicate this as a mid bass, which means you go an octave up, which is right around like 70 hertz, it will knock your socks off. So, and it's available on the website now. I think, like I said, I think they have 150 in stock, but they go fast. So I'll put the link in the description, and you're good to go. Thanks to the guys at Cicada, which is just hilarious. So. But I gotta bring this back this morning and go get some tweeters. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. It's Friday!